Hey guys, and yes, this is the MP40. Finally, I got around to address all the issues by trying to implement this weapon in Fallout 3 to fit the animations, to fit the grips and everything. And I present you with the Maschinenpistole 40, the Second World War German submachine gun, also known under the name of Schmeisser, which is wrong because Hugo Schmeisser had nothing to do with the design or the production of this weapon. He holds only the patent for the magazine of this submachine gun. Our MP40 was actually developed by Bertold Geipel, who was working at the Ermawerke, and they produced the MP40, the Ermawerke, and it was called actually Erma, not Schmeisser. But enough with the history lessons. It took me some time to figure out all the drawbacks of trying to implement this weapon in Fallout 3, because there were many. First of the animations didn't wanted to play as they should, and then the grip, the front grip on the weapon was this is another weapon that will come out soon after the MP40 is released, of course. This is the Hail Mary. Okay, we took the scum back down. Why I have to use caution? Well, I don't see. Anyway, we are not here to shoot this weapon. And this is the Hail Mary. It is a fully automated sniper rifle. I finally got around to make the cycling motion of the front barrel assembly, but we will talk about this weapon in another review. Okay, so this is our Erma MP40 Maschinenpistole 40. The weapon was issued to the paratrooper units before the FG-42 came out, but and the squad leaders and yeah, not to all the soldiers. The German army generally used okay, so he looted my third version. Okay, this was a bit funky. Anyway, this is the standard version of the weapon. Okay, I'm gonna shoot it a little bit so I can show you the innovations. And okay, so here we are, Arlington Library, Erma MP40, and We have cycling motion of the cocking lever. The dust cover. Okay. It has a mag that holds 32 rounds. It is chambered for 10mm rounds. This is the silence version. And you have the third version, the silenced and scoped. I cannot aim and shoot with this because then you will not see, but I can show you the reticle. It is aim point style close range scope. Okay, I struggled a bit until I figured out all the things, and the most prominent issue was the front grip. So Nukel & Koch developed a front grip, a foldable front grip, which is folded here, as you can see, to accommodate the hand better on the weapon, and so that the front grip doesn't look funky. I tried to make it to look classic and fit well the weapon's design. I hope I managed it. Okay, so here we are, MP40 chambered for 10mm rounds. The magazine holds 32 rounds. I tried to reproduce exactly the fire rate too on the weapon, and the sound as close I could get with what I have. Well, I hope I covered everything, but if not, then you will have description and screenshots too. The weapon can be found here. This is the Arlington Library and Alexandria Arms. So across the road from Arlington Library in that building. Thank you for watching, and Nukel & Koch out.